Dear young brothers and sisters, and of course, also respected elder brothers and sisters. I always talk completely informal way. I don't like too much formality. Sometimes I feel formality is additional barrier. So indeed, I am very, very happy and great honor to speak young students of, I think, a few different institutions, and feel great honor speak at a place, I think spiritually something very sacred place. But today, too cold. I think if there is some way bless us from outside, then I think it should bring sunshine. So in any way, I really feel very, very happy and great honor. And also I feel great honor, one 81-year-old person, say, having the opportunity to talk young people. Of course, they are sane. The person who are talking, also human being. The audience, you young, fresh, you also human being. We are part of the 7 billion human beings of this planet. It is really very, very necessary, you see, to have this sort of view or conviction. Entire 7 billion human beings on this planet is same human being, same human brothers, sisters. The way we born, the way we die, same. And emotionally, mentally, physically, we all same. No differences on the basis of different nationality, different belief, sort of different society, or different color. No. These differences there, that's on secondary level. Then, you see, we can say, we belong to this nation or that nation. We believe this religion or that religion. But at the time we born, no religion, not much feeling about different nationality. So long, children play together and showing affection, same. I always emphasize that because too many problems which we are facing today on this planet, many of these problems is actually human beings' creation. Of course, besides some natural disaster, but most of the serious problem is we human beings ourselves created. all these trouble which we created is based on secondary level of differences. So now only remedy to reduce this, we must go to fundamental level. We are same human being. We really need a sense of oneness of 7 billion human beings. On that level, yes, I want peace. I want joyful life. They also have the right to achieve joyfulness and a happy life. If you have serious sort of conviction about that, then no ground to kill each other, to bully each other, to cheating. So therefore, now, as one person whose age now 81-year-old, and whole my life go through a lot of problem. And then also you see have the opportunity to visit different part of the world. Then I develop conviction. Now, a lot of problem which we are facing. In order to reduce this, eventually in order to eliminate this, it is entirely up to us. And on the basis of sense of oneness of humanity, that I feel, I think now key factor to bring happy world, peaceful world. I think sometimes it's difficult. Young people, see, they love. So I think for me, okay, whatever you like, okay, you can do. Now, time always moving. Not only we, but the whole galaxies in time always moving. So then, when we talk time, past, present, future. So past, gone. For example, 20th century as a past century, now gone. We cannot change past. No matter what we sort of feel something, feel wrong, something bad, but already happened. Nobody can change that. Now, future. Now, I say, this 21st century, just the beginning of this new century. So, major portion of this century not yet come. So that's future. So future is concerned, we can make some change, future. So I usually used to describe among our 7 billion human beings on this planet, it's like my age, and also the chancellor and professors, we are the generation of 20th century. So our century gone. Now you are the generation of 21st century. So it is your responsibility to create better world, a better future. And also, you see, you will see better future. I think most of us, the generation of 20th century, I think we may not see after 10, 15 20 years, my own case, then I will go some different place. So we cannot see the better world. Of course, it takes time and need a lot of effort. But it is possible to create better future. Better future means peaceful, compassionate, happier world. Now, I have sort of